Hello and good afternoon. This is a test of the projection and sound system for our next service. So here we go. This is actually going to be the last hymn we'll be playing on the 4th of July, and I'm hoping it will all work nicely. Let's see what sort of volume we get. It's not very loud. Very quiet. I'm going to have to. Oh, it's coming out of the projector. Hold on. First thing, the sound is coming out of the projector rather than the speakers. Okay, we'll try again. And it was the setting on the computer, it had detected the projector and put the audio out to projector. I've just redirected it to Realtek speakers. This is on the computer menu bar at the bottom. And all see how great is our God. Because I'm recording this on the camera, you're going to tell that is 5 is coming out from both sides. Yep. And good quality in terms of the sound. Yep, that's looking good. Should do for a bit of praise. Hello, okay. And so this is the other microphone. So we have two microphones. This is microphone green, microphone red. Number 3, number 2. Leave it set like that and turn it off.